All right, so the question says rubidium metal reacts with rubidium nitrate solution to produce aqueous rubidium oxide and nitrogen gas. So to write this, first thing we want to do is look at the first thing that the problem says, which is rubidium metal. And so that would just be the element rubidium. So we're going to find rubidium. It's right here. So the symbol is Rb. So I'm going to start with Rb. And since it's a metal, that's a solid. So our choices are solid, liquid, gas, or aqueous, and that would be a solid. So I'm going to put a little S next to it. And then, of course, I want to include a blank so that when I get to balancing, I will have a spot to do that. And I'm going to say plus because it reacts with. The next thing is rubidium nitrate. So I have to figure out how to write the compound rubidium nitrate. So I find rubidium on here. That's right here. It's Rb. And since it's in the first column, it's got a +1 charge. So I'm going to write Rb with a +1 charge. And then nitrate, remember if it has an 8 or an ite ending, we're going to look on the back of our periodic table. And we're going to find nitrate. And so nitrate is right here. It's NO3 with a -1 charge. So I'm going to write NO3. And it's got a -1 charge. Now we have to get those charges to cancel out. And look at that, +1, -1, they already do. So I'm going to put them together, of course leaving a blank to balance. It's RbNO3. And since it says solution, that means it's aqueous, so we're going to do AQ. Okay, then we see the words to produce. That means we're going to put the arrow, and then we're going to write our product. So our first product is aqueous rubidium oxide. So again, we got to write our ions with charges. So we already did rubidium, so it's Rb +1. So Rb, the +1 charge. Then we got to find the ion for oxide. And so we know that's oxygen as it forms an ion. So we're going to find oxygen here. It's in this column, 6 valence electrons, gains 2 more, so it's going to get a -2 charge. So we're going to write O with a -2 charge, and then we have to get those charges to cancel out. So to do that, I need more positive charges. So I'm going to put another rubidium. Now I've got +2, -2, so now they cancel out. So then my formula is Rb2O, because there's 2 Rb's and 1 O. And then, of course, that is aqueous. I'm going to put an AQ. And then finally, we've got nitrogen gas. So then I'm going to say plus nitrogen gas. And then nitrogen, remember, is one of those Hofbrinkel elements. And so if it's by itself in an equation, it needs a little subscript 2. And then it says gas, so we're going to put a little G by it. And a little blank to balance. So that is how you would write it. And then you're going to go ahead and balance the equation.